Hello everyone, welcome back to TechnoWaves, your one-stop channel for latest tech updates and gadget review. So guys, this one gonna blow your mind. Today we have the Boat Rockers 480, a headphone set that not only sounds powerful but also look absolutely stunning with 6 RGB lightning modes. Yes? So let's unbox it and test it out and see if it's really worth your money or just another overhyped headset. So let's get started. The Boat Rockers 480 blazing RGB LED with 6 modes. Now let's unbox it first. So guys, on the box you can see here on the front we have the product image showing those RGB rings, and on the side some key highlights, that is it has 40 mm of drivers, total playback 60 hours, and beast mode up to 4 minutes. It has a Bluetooth 5.3 version, adaptive fit, easy access controls, type C interface, and voice assistant. Wow, amazing. Now let's check it out. Alright, let's open it. Wow, amazing. Here's the headset nicely wrapped, and here's the Type-C charging cable, and here we got 3.5 mm of auxiliary cable for wired mode. Yes, this is the wireless guys, as well as we will get the wired. If we want to play games, we can also use this wire also. And this user manual and warranty card, and here we can see we get this cute beautiful stickers and some warranty card. And wow, the first impression guys, these look premium. About its design guys, it has best built quality. As you can see here, we can get to see here boat, and the best part is has metal handband with cushions, and we can also adjust this ear cup also. Yes, we can. It is very flexible, as you can see guys. Amazing. And this is our RGB lightning 6 mode controllable button. And talking about its speakers and all, here we get to see this microphone speakers, so we can easily talk and our voice will be recorded very clearly, because both sides it supports 6 dynamic RGB modes that you can switch with just one button, perfect for gamers and music lovers who love a little. Now let's first connect it. This circular RGB headset changing the colors. Wow, it comes with blazing RGB LEDs with 6 mode. So talking about its battery performance, battery life, so Boat claims up to 30 hours of playback without RGB and around 20 hours with RGB lightning on. And it supports Type-C fast charging. Just 10 minutes of charge gives around 2 hours of playtime. Plus, with the lightweight design and soft cushions, it's great for long sessions, whether you are gaming, editing, or just chilling with the music. And guys, let's just take a second to appreciate those RGB effects. Look at that color transition. Amazing guys, smooth, bright, and perfectly synced on both sides. Now let's test the sound quality guys. So have you listened guys, the sound quality is amazing, clear and bass heavy sound quality, comfortable for long usage, and the bass is very high. Thus absolutely sound performance amazing, best for gamers as well as music lovers. So after using it for a while, here's what I liked and what could be better. About its pros, it has stunning RGB design with 6 lightning modes, clear and bass heavy sound quality, comfortable for long usage. And it comes Bluetooth 5.3 plus dual pairing, good mic clarity, and long battery life with Type-C fast charging. Yes, it has also a voice assistant. And about its cons, it has no ANC, that is active noise cancellation, and it has plastic parts, could be more premium, and this RGB drain battery is slightly faster. So that's it guys. So guys, after unboxing and testing and using it, it can say the Boat Rockers 480 is one of the most stylish and value for money RGB headset. in this range. Perfect for gamers, music lovers, or anyone who wants great sound with that cool RGB vibe. If you want to level up your setup and flex some RGB vibes, so this is the total worth checking out. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to TechnoWaves for more awesome unboxing and tech reviews. Thanks for watching, guys.